Okay, what are you? You are
Just
the Hornet.
I really appreciate that they've got some
Medium
of their
fighter.
classic designs on display.
You are the Super Hornet. Because you're super. Okay, I see you. With a Mark II Hornet.
I definitely think the IAE is worth going to.
It seems like it's going to be a great show this year.
I can see why you're carrier based. And you are the Hornet Ghost. Stealth fighter. It's stealthy. I am really weird, people. I'm sorry. If you haven't already figured this out yet. Walking through the mining hall. What is she looking at? Huh? Huh? Oh, yeah! I knew that's what you were looking at. Alright, I'll stop getting distracted. What's in this hall? Look at this. Freaking. Oh my god. People, pick up your trash. It's not hard. I hope there's a trash can somewhere so I can throw this away. Aha! Trash can. See? Just put it in the trash can. Don't know why that's hard for people. I am going to buy a fruit. And then I am going to eat said fruit. What? Oh my lord. Sir. Now, I wanted a place. Sir. You need to pick up your stuff. This is ridiculous. You people are ridiculously messy. Sir, what